Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Tuesday morning, it's the second day of June now, and our forecast is starting to evolve. We're going to start to pick up more of those random pop-up storms here and there. A small chance today, a better chance tomorrow, and for the rest of the week. And as we get closer to the weekend, much uncertainty develops on the rain chances, and because of that tropical system in the Gulf. Will it move into the north central Gulf straight up, or will it go more towards Texas? There's some new uncertainty on that, and of course that will play a significant role in how our weekend forecast goes as well. Let me bring you up to date. The brand new advisory from the National Hurricane Center should be arriving right now. Here's the new cone. On the 4 a.m. advisory from the Hurricane Center, they've taken the winds in Tropical Depression 3 to 35 miles per hour. Only needs to get to 39 miles per hour to become a tropical storm. And they have it moving west at 2 miles per hour, becoming a little bit better organized right now, hanging around the Bay of Campeche for the next couple of days. But what happens after that as we get into the weekend? The system starts evolving northward into the Gulf of Mexico, probably as Tropical Storm Cristobal. Well, there you go. They have the winds probably at 65 miles per hour at 1 a.m. Sunday on the latest hurricane advisory. By the way, Air Force reconnaissance from Biloxi is heading now to that system to check it out. We'll know more later today. Here are some of the model tracks, and you see the problem, you see the dilemma. Some go into the north central Gulf of Mexico. That wouldn't be, that'd be closer to us. Some take it to Texas. Here's the GFS ensembles. It likes kind of a mid-ground there, but it's, it goes into Louisiana and Mississippi, which would be disturbing for us. The European likes more of a westerly track, places like, Louisiana to anywhere from New Orleans to around Corpus Christi. So we'll see. The jury is out. We'll be watching the Gulf over the next few days. Meanwhile, for us, pop-up storms are going to start being back into the forecast. In fact, here's a look at future radar later on this afternoon. You see a few blips, especially later on in the afternoon and into the early evening hours developing. And I've got a snapshot here at 5 o'clock in the afternoon showing some widely scattered storms, maybe a little bit better coverage down in the southern counties. With today's high around 90, that would be the sixth day in a row that we've got 90 degrees or above. Not in a row, but this year. Sun cloud mix today, widely scattered storms. Tonight's low 70. Tomorrow I think we'll see some more clouds and a slightly better rain chance. Scattered pop-up random storms in the afternoon and evening hours. Same thing Thursday. We're looking at the European, by the way, and I want to show you how the low-pressure system or the tropical system that will become Cristobal evolves northward starting on Friday, with scattered showers and thunderstorms continuing in our area, but then question marks about the weekend. Here's Saturday at 4 o'clock, and we have a strong system, maybe a strong tropical storm in the north-central Gulf of Mexico at that hour. Sunday at 4 o'clock, the European likes the idea of taking the low closer to Lake Charles, but remember, that's only one model, and some of the models are very different on the track. This is Monday at 1 o'clock on the European, near the low-pressure area near the Arklatex, and all the heavy rain out to the east of it across the Gulf states, moving on northward during the day on Tuesday. So the future of this system is very much up in the air. Stay tuned. 86 tomorrow with a few extra clouds and a 30% chance of afternoon storms. We'll be near 90 Thursday, Friday, and I think Saturday as the rain chances continue to increase a little bit each day. And, of course, over the weekend, the forecast very uncertain as we continue to watch the Gulf of Mexico. We'll keep fine-tuning that forecast. Beach forecast, needless to say, if you're headed down that way, you have beach plans. Things are very much up in the air with the rain chances, probably pretty high Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And the actual landfalling mark of Cristobal is unknown at this point. Water temperature now at 80 degrees. You can stay on top of the tropics with our weather app. It's got some great information and plus access to these videos, plus 10-day forecasts, hourly forecasts, instant push notifications for severe weather alerts, radar, future radar. Go to the App Store and search Rich Thomas Weather. It's free. All right, so we'll keep you up to date on the developments in the Gulf of Mexico. 'Tis the season. We'll be doing that for the next few months. Hurricane season, which began yesterday, continues till November 30th. Have a great day today. I'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1, live on CBS 8 and ABC 32, their morning program, Alabama Rising. Another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. Have you heard this before? And your forecast whenever you want it across the dial twice an hour on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. My name is Rich. I will see you later. Have a good one.